Hi, I'm Reverend Maggie Alderman, Senior Minister at CCO Orlando, and I'd like to invite you to join us this Sunday for our celebration service. We'll be in the sanctuary and online at 10:30 Eastern Time. This is the last week in our series, Lost in Translation, and I'd like to ask you, have you ever been mislabelled, misjudged, and been given a reputation that was nothing at all close to the truth of your nature? I bet Mary Magdalene felt very similar. And this week, we're going to be looking at her story and her role and how we are exactly like she is in stumbling and falling and rising higher than we ever thought possible. If that sounds like you, if you love a community that is warm and welcoming, then you belong here with us this Sunday, 10:30. We'll see you then.